Hi. Um, Zoom into 100%. Alright, Military Handbook 201B, September 23rd, 1971, superseding Military Handbook 201A, 12th of May, 1961. Military Standardization Handbook, Petroleum Operation, Department of Defense, United States. Office of Secretary of Defense, Alright, contents. Chapter 1, General Purpose Scope, Basic Consideration. Chapter 2, Properties, Characteristics, Use of Military Fuels and Lubricant. Section 1, Introduction, General Test Methods, Their Significance, Principal Products. Section 2, Fuels, Fuel Oil, Burner, General Types, Types and Grades, Properties and Characteristics. Fuel Oil, Diesel, General Types and Grades and Property Characteristics. Fuel Naval, Distillated, General Kerosene, General Types and Grades, Properties and Characteristics. Motor Gasoline, General Types and Grades, Properties and Characteristics. Aviation Gases, General Type of Grades and Properties and Characteristics. Jet Fuels, General Type of Grades and Properties and Characteristics. Section 3, Lubricating Oils, Lubricating Oil Engines, General Type of Grades, Physical Properties and Characteristics. Section 4, Greases, Grease, General Type of Grades and Physical Properties of the Characteristics. Section 5, Related Compounds, General. Chapter 3, Quality Surveillance of Petroleum-related products. Section 1, Introduction, General. Section 2, Quality Surveillance, General. Testing of methods, routine testing of bulk petroleum products and packaged petroleum products. Section 3, Utilization off specification product, General. Section 4, Effect metals and metal compounds on petroleum products, General. Zinc and cadmium, copper bearing metals and aluminum. Chapter 4, Tank Farm Operations. Section 1, Introduction, General. Section 2, Storage Tanks, General Type and Steel Tanks, Concrete Tanks, Collapsible Tanks, Miscellaneous Tanks, Tanks Accessories, Vents, Breather Valves, Flame Arresters, Tank Outlets, Gauges, Thief Hatches, oil heaters, Pump Manifolds, Gauge Tables. Section 3, Pipelines, Intra-Terminal. General Types, Pipeline, Accessories, Pipe, Valves, Expansion Joints, Blocks, Blinds, Pressure Relief Systems, Sediment Strainers, Sands, Traps, Line Identification. Pipeline Transfers, Pre-cleaning, Maintaining Product Quality, Flow Characteristics, Optimum Pumping Temperatures, Heating of the Pipelines, Displacing Fitting Lines, Multi-Product Lines, Surge Pressures, 4.9. General Pipe Operating Rules. 4.10. Servicing Valves and Fittings. Section 4, Chapter 4, Section 4, Pumping Operations. General Centrifugal Reciprocating Pumps, Rotary Pumps, Primary Movers. Hazard of shutdown with static head exceeds allowable ship pressure. Operation Variable Speed Pumps. Pumping services, safety rules, and precautions pertaining to the pump and pump house operations. Section 5, Tank Truck, Tanker Car Operation, General. Tanker Car, Tank Truck, Equipment Preloading, Inspection, Cleaning, Compartments, Loading, Inspection after loading, Quantity Quality Check before unloading, Unloading Precautions. Section 6, Tanker Operation, General. Receiving Operation, Issuing. Section 7, Section 7, Storage, General. Transfer, Circulating, Water Draw-off and changing of tank service. Section 8, Packaged Products, General. Reclamation, drum and can filling, storage of packaged products, General. Site selection, storage of 55 drum petroleum products, storage of productions of 5-gallon military gasoline containers, storage of packaged lubrication, grease, and water and packaged petroleum products, storage of empty containers, General. Section 9, product measurement, sample, General. Product measuring, product sampling. Section 10, Hydraulic Fueling System, General. General Equipment Facility, Tank, Turbine Type Pumps, Water Separators, Fueling Control Valve, Defueling Control Valve, Defueling Pump, Liquid Level Control Valve Operation. Pipelines. Chapter 5, Pipelines. Section 1, Introduction, General. Intraterminal Pipeline System, Interterminal Pipeline System. Section 2, Component Characteristics of Pipeline Equipment, General, and Principles of Operation and Maintenance. Section 3, Intraterminal Pipeline System. And Section 4, Interterminal Pipeline System, General. Pipeline Communication, Operation, Control of the System, Schedule and Records, Procedure, Delivery to Pipelines, Single Product Delivery, Batching 2 or more products, Procedures Receiving from Pipelines, Operating Reports, Flow of management, General. Identification lines and valves, Pipeline Patrols, Pipeline Maintenance, Pipeline Repairs, Pipeline Cleaning. Chapter 6, Tanker Farm Operational Maintenance. Introduction, General Care Facility Safety Personnel, Equipment of Records, Equipment of Operation, General Safety Rules. Section 2, Facility Inspection, General Inspection Responsibility, Inspection prior to use, Operational Inspection, Periodic testing, inspection, fire protection facilities. Section 3, tanker farm maintenance. General maintenance schedule, machine history, equipment maintenance, and periodic overhaul inspection. Tank maintenance, tank grade, tank painting, water bottoms, tank roof leaks, tank ladders, stairways, tank grounding, concrete tanks, tank linings, tank fittings, vents, flame arresters, pressure vacuum, vent, valve setting, gauge hatch covers, foam chamber, switching line assembly, automatic gauges, valves and draw valves, conservation type storages, conventional floating roof tanks, cone roof tanks with internal floating pans, tank cleaning, building of the yard maintenance, building maintenance, yard maintenance, pump piping, pump leaks, alignment, pump grounding, electrical safety, performance, suction difficulties and pump tests, repair overall pumps and stuffing boxes, packaging, mechanical seals, bearings, misalignment, centrifugal pumps, rotary gear type pumps, waterfront maintenance, inspection, cleanliness, hose handle, equipment bonding, cables, hose testing, communication, electrical system, firefighting gear, cathodic protection, barges and tankers, tank cleaning, gas freeing, and corrosion, vessel tank preparation, vessel tanks, pipeline, plug valve, gate valve, pressure relief valve, tank trucks, servicing overall special precautions, tank cars, changing product of the tank trucks and tanker cars, loading rack, inspection and repairs, bulk lubricating oil, heating coils, cleaning lines, cleaning lube, oil tanks, and additional precautions. Section 4, corrosion control, cathodic protection, general corrosion from products, corrosion from soil, paint coatings and wrappings, cathodic protection, maintenance of cathodic protection equipment. Section 7, hazard connected with petroleum fuels, general. Section 1, hygiene, health, expect fuel, oil, diesel, kerosene, gasoline, jet fuels, container safety precautions, and cleaning tanks. Section 2, fire prevention, fire extinguishment, general, fire explosion and hazard, fuel, oil, diesel, gasoline, kerosene, jet fuel, static electricity, generation, static electricity, prevention, static electricity, petroleum fires, type of fire designation, fire prevention, fire inspection, special instruction, fire drills, safety and fuel handling, operation, fire explosion prevention, extinguishing petroleum fires, water and water fog blankets, foam, first aid, fire appliances, carbon dioxide extinguisher, soda acid extinguisher, dry chemical extinguisher, safety precaution, loading jet fuel and kerosene, safety precaution in heating waste and oil, conservation, petroleum products, general accuracy of the product, measurement, calibration, gauging, terminal pipelines, tank trucks, tanker cars, transport meters, effects of the marine transportation losses, water bottoms, inspection, maintenance losses through theft, the records, conservation, stored, effect of the tank, repair of losses, loading racks, and effects of leaks. And then it goes into figures, tables, and appendix. Your appendix is definition, A. Appendix B, publication pertaining petroleum proper and petroleum operation. Appendix C, tank capacity diagram, approximate values. Alright, Chapter 1, General. Alright, 1. The purpose of the handbook is designed to provide a general standard with the procedure principle for the operational maintenance of military petroleum handling facility. They also intend with a training guide for on-the-job training, indoctrination of the new personnel. It also is intended to replace the department regulations of the operational instruction applicable to any specific type of facility. Scope, the contents are limited to technical operation procedural information of the general nature. Specific conditions facilities may require some of the deviation from the procedure described. Because of the wide variation of petroleum facilities and problems of administrative operation, maintenance of the not feasible for the given the detailed instruction counting of the stock and control and the procedures other than from the receipt storage and are not included in the publication. Detail of the petroleum utilization use limited structural design, maintenance, and major machinery repairs are likewise included but are covered with the publication directives of the applicable military departments. 1.3 Basic consideration. If it utmost importance of the personnel responsible for the handling of the petroleum products be thoroughly trained and highly competent. There's no foolproof equipment that will compensate for the careless indifference, for the incompetency with the good housing, keeping, and maintenance practices, quality surveillance, and program of the outlined military handbook. 200 quality surveillance handbook of the fuels lubrication related publics are essential for maintaining the quality of the petroleum products, maximizing the delivery of the clean and acceptable product to the ultimate user. Chapter 2 Properties of the characteristics and uses of military fuel and lubrications.